Morning light through stained glass bins on empty plates and folded hands. We ask for bread that doesn't end, not stored in vaults but shared across the land.
Your kingdom come, your will be done.
Here where the weary meet the sun. Forgive our debts
As we forgive
the ones who took
and left us with nothing to give.
We walk through streets with stones unthrown, held back the words that cut like bone. Now lift our eyes beyond the fray to where your perfect justice finds its way.
Your kingdom come, your will be done.
heal where the broken
Heal as one
forgive our debts.
as we re-release
The chains we forged in
bitterness and greed. Not power, not gold, not thrones above the love.
But mercy flowing like a flood. When we kneel low, that's when we
Rise into your light with open eyes, soar aim into your light with open eyes.
Your kingdom come
Your will be done
on earth reborn.
beneath your sun.
We've been forgiven.
Given now we live,
No scar to
keep no wound to give. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth reborn beneath your sun. We've been forgiven, now we live. No score to keep, no wound to give.